Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 11, How to Use Your Subconscious Mind to Develop Inner Peace. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy reveals how your subconscious mind is the key to finding lasting peace in your life. Peace is not something you find outside yourself. It comes from within, through controlling your thoughts and emotions. And your subconscious mind plays a central role in this process. Dr. Murphy shares a powerful technique to help you develop inner peace. Before you go to sleep at night, repeat affirmations like, "I am peaceful and calm. Peace fills my mind and body." Feel this peace radiate through you, and your subconscious will accept it. By doing this regularly, you train your subconscious mind to seek out peaceful thoughts and solutions, especially when life gets stressful. The takeaway here is simple. Peace is a choice you make through your thoughts. By practicing these techniques, you create a peaceful mindset that stays with you, no matter the challenges you face. That's the end of Chapter 11. In Chapter 12, we'll explore how to use the power of your subconscious mind for success. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't miss the next life-changing chapter.